Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official. So today I'm going to start space designing theoretical topic. So in this tutorials, I will explain you about heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. So before I start this video, I would like to request you guys please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well so that whenever I will upload the new video you will get the notification of that video immediately. Okay, and please share and like my video. Please share and like my video. So let us start now. So this is the chapter 1 is heating ventilation, HVAC. So HVAC in the sense is heating, ventilation and air conditioning. H stand for heating and V stand for ventilation. AC stand for air and C for conditioning, so heating, ventilation and air conditioning system. So there are different types of codes are related to this HVAC. So first one is Ashrae. Ashrae is nothing but American Society of Heating, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Engineers. Okay, so this is the one of the standard which we using in this HVAC system. There are some comfort temperatures mentioned by the Ashrae standard. So in the summer season, there are the temperature is should be 74 to 82 degree is for the human comfort, and a standard we are taking is 76 degree Fahrenheit. And RH is nothing but the relative humidity. It should be 30 to 60%. It is for the human comfort. Okay, and in the winter season the temperature should be 68 to 76 degree Fahrenheit should be maintained for the human comfort temperature, and the standard is 72 degree Fahrenheit, and relative humidity is same 30 to 60%. Okay, so go to the next page. The next page is heating, ventilation. So heating, what is the heating? So in this you can see the heating is the process of adding heat in an internal space. Okay, for example, if there is a space, I will show you here. For example, this is the space. Okay, so heating is the process of adding heat in the internal space. So we are going to add heat here. Okay, QH. We are going to add, this is the room. Okay, bedroom. Okay, okay, so this is the room. We are going to add the heat if the temperature of particular location is a standard temperature. Location is less than the standard temperature 25 degree centigrade. Okay, so 76 degree Fahrenheit. If the temperature of this space is less than 25 degree temperature, so we should add the heat. Okay, so if required in the winter season, so you should add the heat by using electrical resistance or boiler in country like USA, Canada, Australia. Like USA, United States of America, and Canada and Australia, they are adding the heat if the temperature is less than 25 degree Fahrenheit with the help of electrical resistance heater or boiler. Okay. The ventilation is providing the fresh air in an internal space. For example, this is the space. Okay, so I want to do the ventilation. That means I have to provide the fresh air in internal space in order to maintain the sufficient amount of oxygen. So this is AC already, already air conditioning room. We are going to add some fresh air here. This is called fresh air. Okay, just to maintain the oxygen level inside this space. Okay, in order to maintain the sufficient amount of oxygen and to exhaust the foul smell, so we are adding some fresh air, outside air. Okay, and we are exhausting here, exhaust air. Some foul air we are going to exhaust through exhaust fan. Okay, foul smell, exhaust foul smell given off by people or other internal components like furniture, carpet, etc. Or maintaining the indoor air quality, IAQ. Okay, so this is the IAQ. To maintain the indoor air quality, we are adding fresh air and exhausting the foul smell air outside from this space. Okay, so this is what we are doing in heating and ventilation. The next is the air conditioning. So it is the process of treating air in an internal environment in order to establish and maintain the required standard of temperature, relative humidity, cleanliness, motion, and distribution of air and noise level. Okay, so less than 35 decibel. So this is the air conditioning. Okay, so air conditioning in the sense, it is the process of treating the air in an environment in order to establish and maintain the required temperature and humidity. For example, this is the one of the space. Okay, so we have to treat the air with the help of air conditioning. For example, this is the split AC indoor unit and this is the outdoor unit. So with the help of air conditioning, we are adding this cooling here inside this room. Okay, this is the AC and we are maintaining the temperature here 76 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, 76 degree Fahrenheit, and relative humidity should be 30 to 60%. 30 to 60%. Okay, so this is what we are maintaining with the help of air conditioning, and the noise level should be less than 35 decibel. Decibel is nothing but the unit of sound. Okay, application of air conditioning. So for the home and comfort, there are so many applications for the AC. For example, we are using the AC in residential building, offices, hotels, supermarket and malls and hospitals. So these are the applications for the air conditioning for the home and comfort. So there are other applications are available also. So in the next tutorials we will continue this session. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.